I'm Dina Lee. Today we're going to talk about tips to use People First language. Have you ever heard of People First language? People First language puts the person before the disability and describes what the person has, not letting it define who they are. Here's some important information about People First language. 1 in 4, or 61 million U.S. adults, report having some sort of disability. It's language that can be used in the home, community, and workplace. People who have conditions we call disabilities or a diagnosis have been subject to devaluation, marginalization, prejudice, and discrimination. People First language is not retard, moron, imbecile, lame, crazy, spaz. That was something that was used when I was growing up. Those are all medical diagnoses. You wouldn't say, "You're such a diabetic," or "That guy's a cancer patient." People First language emphasizes the abilities. They don't use language that suggests a lack of something. It emphasizes the need for accessibility. It's not offensive. You avoid language that is negative. Instead, you can use people with disabilities. He has a cognitive disability. The people we serve. Accessible parking or accessible hotel room. Or she receives special education services. At my school, the community says brown students. Staff members have said he's special, slave labor, they're crazy. Pause a moment and talk about what you've heard. Now that you've come back, join me in taking the People First language pledge. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.